Today I will talk about the installation of our PyTorch. In this playlist make our I will explain that how we can use PyTorch and for our deep learning projects. So before that, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. So first we have to make our separate Anaconda environment to install our PyTorch. So for that we have command known as conda -n conda create -n and our name of our environment with Python equal to 3.7 or 3.6, whatever you want. After that we have to go in our PyTorch documentation. Now you can see my environment is working. Before that we have to set a command for to install our PyTorch. So after visiting the website of PyTorch, click on the install. After that, below, make sure that you have to select these blocks, and our last column and our last row we have something known as CUDA. If you have GPU support in our machine, then you can select 10.1 or 10.2, but if you don't have any GPU, you have to select none over here. Then it will generate a link to install your PyTorch. You have to copy this link from Conda to PyTorch. Now let's go in our Conda environment. Till now it is working. So now we have to press yes. Why? Now it will install our Python in our environment. In this playlist, I will talk about PyTorch and their components like what are tensors, what are NumPy, and how we can use PyTorch in our deep learning projects. I will solve a deep learning project with the help of PyTorch. So now we have to activate our environment to install PyTorch in that. Now we can see our environment is activated. Now we have to put this command over here to install our PyTorch. Now press enter. Now it will take some time to install PyTorch in that. Now we have to press again Y, enter. If you don't know about deep learning, please go to my channel and subscribe it and go to my deep learning playlist. Here I will upload all the information about neural networks, activation function optimizers, and many things. Now let's see in our okay, now it is also installing. So let's wait and let them install. If you want to see the documentation of our PyTorch, go to simple PyTorch and click on the docs and click on the PyTorch. So here it will show all the functions in our PyTorch. like Torch.nn, Torch.tensor. I will talk about all these attributes and functions or the parameters of our functions in my playlist. Now, as you can see, my installation is done. So to test the installation, I have to open my Jupyter notebook. Sorry, Jupyter notebook. So I have to make a new Jupyter notebook over here.